officially 1 year natural. Yay! I'm very happy about this because I remember in the beginning of my natural hair journey, I used to be so nervous and about asking myself questions like, really, can I do this? How is my hair going to be? And what about the texture of my hair? And how am I gonna find out about the products? And oh my god. But I must say that this has been the best journey that I have ever been on, and I'm so proud of myself for really hanging on and doing this and sticking to my regimen. Of course, there has been time in which I straightened my hair or in which I use heat, because I'm also gonna use heat in this video since this is my wash and go routine video. But the most important thing is that it was the best decision for my hair. My hair has never, well, I think in my youth, but my hair has never felt so good, has been so healthy, and there are still goals that I want for my hair. I want my hair to be very long, but I think it's a healthy hair journey and length will come eventually. So I want to thank you guys so much for all the love and the support, because this has been difficult sometimes, and I want to thank all the other YouTubers which I watch their videos to be inspired and to get to know how they do their stuff. I must say, in the beginning I watched a lot of videos from Minnie Marley because I think my hair texture is similar to hers, but also Natural Nisi. Girl, I love your videos. I don't think she will watch this, but still, I love her videos and she has really helped me and motivated me to do this. So to all people out there who makes videos, guys, keep doing the good work, because you may influence and help someone without even knowing this. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye guys! My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, and the first thing I'm going to do is apply this leave-in by Aphrogee. And I also sectioned off my hair to give me more control and to help me distribute the product better all over. As a styling product, I'm using the Curlific Curldifiner, also by Aphrogee, and this product is really amazing and ideal for fall because this product works exactly the same as a gel would, but the only thing is it doesn't give you that crunch, and it really helps moisturize my hair, which my hair really needs in this time of the year. Next, I just repeat the same steps over the other sections of my hair. I go in with my leave-in conditioner and follow with the Curldifiner until my whole hair is done. I also want to make sure that I really focus on my roots, because my roots start to frizz in a few days, and I always try to make this hairstyle last for at least 1 week. So therefore I really need to make sure that my roots are laid. Once my hair is completely covered, I take it down and make some kind of a part, and then just lay down my edges with some Eco Styler gel. Last but not least, I'm applying some coconut oil to my hair. This helps add some shine to my hair, and it also serves as a heat protectant since I'm going to speed up the process by blow drying my hair. Using a blow dryer is completely optional, but I like to use it because it helps my hair dry better, and if I don't use this, my hair tends to look like a pack of uncooked ramen noodles, and I just don't think that is very nice. It takes me about 10 minutes in real time to blow dry my hair. It is not completely dry, but the rest of it I'm just gonna let it air dry. And yeah, this is what I am left with. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye guys!